I represent for Peter K. Life on YouTube. Put it on speaker, put it on YouTube. You hear that? And tell up so that make every girl and boy look small right up. Tell go way up and go down. Life can.
I never get to really talk to you guys already this morning because I didn't want to be late. But I'm just leaving work. I'm leaving work now. That's an early shift. But I might go back to work later. Might. Depends on my mood. So actually on my way home. I'm gonna buy lunch. So I don't eat anything till morning. So it's on hot. So yeah, that's practically what's up. So I just see you guys in the next clip. So just journey with me on my way home. Like a Corndog. Thank you. Corndog, please.
Corndog, everything?
Yeah, everything with a Corndog, yeah. At 210 with the cheese on it, or yeah. What you have to drink? Say $8. Eh? What you have to drink for $80? Squeeze on them something? Oh, alright. I might have one squeeze. Yeah, everything on the Corndog. Are the small, how much for the eye cool? This lemonade. I wonder if this is good now. Yeah, the squeeze and the Corndog, yeah? The squeeze, the small squeeze. Oh, so yes, you guys, this is a Jamaican style. Jesus Christ, it's hot. A Jamaican style Corndog. In cornbread, you get lettuce, cheese, sausage, and so yeah, $210 for this. So I'm going to indulge in this and walk go. So look, you guys, yeah, after I get into it. So yeah.
3 hours.
That good? Yeah, so I was in my bed. I'm just exporting the vlog. Yeah, I'm just exporting the vlog. My God, I think I can't say hi. So yeah, Mario. So you, Mario? I know you're watching the vlog, you know. Come out of bed. Out of Aya's nice bed. And good body is tired. So going on the road now to get something to munch on and go back into my bed. Him call me again. So
me at study, you know, because me at exam. Me at study and
a book. Set me need to go sleep.
Yeah,
And then wake up back and
study. Yeah. I'll be able to study when I go to school. Study. But for me, I never really study to that. Because I'm really the type of person where study. Yeah, I'm SWAT. Remember swatting? Yes, I used to do that. And
that's not too much bored, man. Go almost say. You say you love somebody and then earth you get bored.
Yeah, know something here?
I look at tape.
Now, you love Black Life. Why? You want a Jamaican woman?
Are you want a mirror? You know, I'm nice baby and cute.
Which part of your cute?
Look here. I never tell me Facebook, I'm nice and cute. Look on this.
I was sure the vlog them.
Are
you that?
Yeah, look on this.
Well, Batman, are you that? I never know say you know. You look different. I never know say. I say you know, when people dress up, I tell them. Oh, the guy from